Hello, good evening everyone. This video you are watching now has been going around in the social media. This lady you are seeing here, her name is Chioma. So Chioma made a video some time ago. She posted one tomato she bought and she said that the tomato is not good and that it's spying people. So this thing has been going viral. So the owner of the tomatoes now saw the video in social media and he got angry and vowed not to leave the case die like that. According to him, he said the company he has been managing for more than 40 years. How can a lady like Chioma try to bring the company down? Just watch this video. Chioma is now about to enter jail. Just watch the video. But another problem there is that Chioma is pregnant. If you see her in that video crying, she was begging because of her pregnancy they should release her. Let you watch the video and tell me what you think in the comment section. And tell me where you are watching from. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you.
I rather close the Risco food down and fight for my reputation, fight for my brand, fight for my good name before I and stubborn with my right, arrogant with my right. I don't no apology for it. And purpose with my right. I must do the right. I don't look for trouble. If you come for trouble, I'm ready for you.
Obi agbawagum. Menu na akwa nwa ada bere. Mgbe mere ka mata na ọ na-abasịkwa ụlọ mkpọrọ. Biko onye nwetere message a. Were aka ogologo tosa ya. Ihe m ga-eji obi mgbawa wee kwuo na this video. Ama adịkwa ka nke ndị ọzọ ji gị ụjọ. Ihe mere nwa adịghị eme ha wee kwuo. Nke m ga-adịwa gị iche maka na enweghị m obi. Obi m bụ obi mmiri. Ajọrọ m sị gịnị ka nwa ada mere eji chọọ ịtụ ya nga maọbụ ọkwụọ damages billions. Gụpụta na ọ bụ maka ihe o dere post na Facebook tinyere ya na nsogbu a. Akwa Chioma bere. Merenụ m ebere. Adịkwa m ime. Consider no condition m. Ma nyere m aka ka m pụọ n'ọnọdụ a. N'agbanyeghị nke a na okwu a gwara ya.
So why must you go because you're a pregnant woman? In prison here, there is a space where you can keep child. There's nothing more that there is where the not mother there. So if you think you can come and
Arere. Onwe onye nga side na this case. Aga m ekwu okwu m ka ọ dị transparent. Ka okwu m kwụrụ ọtọ. Ọ ga-adị ka sịga.
A social media post she had shared on her Facebook page a few days earlier, expressing dissatisfaction with the taste of a tin tomato mix she had purchased.
So when I opened the Nagico tomato mix, I tasted it. The sugar content was much.
The product in question, known as Nagico tomato mix, is manufactured by Arisco Foods Limited, whose CEO, Chief Eric Umofia, lodged a complaint with the Inspector General of Police of Nigeria